Hi everyone, it's Teresa with Craving Crochet, and I just wanted to come to you today to tell you that I've won a giveaway, which I was so excited to hear about tonight, and I'll show you what that was. And I also want to discuss a upcoming project that I want to start on. And so I had to find yarn for it, so I'll unbox all that and I'll show you some other great finds that I came across in, once you start looking for yarn and you go into the store looking, you find other things that you fall in love with. But I found some really cool deals. So stay tuned.
Let me show you something.
Okay, I won a giveaway today. I found out I was on someone's live. Whose live was I on? I was on Lori's Crochet Corner. Lori's Crochet Corner 2 live, and I was just in the chat talking to people, and then all of a sudden I saw a message saying, Craving Crochet, you won a giveaway. You won my giveaway. And it was the crafting trooper. I believe her name is the crafting trooper, and I'm not even sure what her name is. Her name is Linnea, I believe. Linnea. So she stopped me in the chat and she told me, hey, you won my giveaway. So she did a giveaway. She gave away, I believe she gave away some yarn items, and she wasn't sending anything other than into the US. She wasn't shipping anything outside of the US because it's very expensive, and I totally understand that. So she had two winners win some yarn, I believe. I'm going to link her video below so you can see. Well, that's the names of the winners. I guess I can do both videos, the giveaway and two different giveaways. She did yarn that she was shipping out, I believe, to two people in the US, and she did patterns, electronic patterns, that I won for two people in Canada. So I was so excited when I heard that I won the giveaway. I was like, wow, this is my first time ever winning anything. So she sent me 4 crochet patterns. One of them is a Honey Love pullover sweater. I don't know if you can see it very well. I had to do it on my black and white printer. It's for a pullover that you make for, she entitled it her Honey Love pullover sweater for her Honey Love. For the person she loves. And this is a ridged cowl pattern that I believe she designed them all herself. So that looks like a beautiful pattern. And then there's one called a spirit pouch. So you can make this cute little pouch and you can put a rosary in there or anything that you like. Even maybe a lipstick, something small like that. And then she also sent me the crochet ridged cross stitch dishcloth. So thank you so much. I believe your name is Linnella. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Anyways, the crafting trooper. I believe you probably all know who she is. Thank you so much. I'm so excited, and this is a shout out to you. Thank you so much. So that's the first thing I wanted to talk about. The second thing was my next project that I want to do is called this free crochet pattern from Lion Brand, and it uses Touch of Alpaca bonus bundle, and the pattern is called the Susan Shrug. It's a really easy beginner's pattern, and so because I'm using the free pattern, I wanted to use the Touch of Alpaca Lion Brand yarn that is recommended because I want to get the best results. And so I had to order it because I could not find it at Michael's. They did not have it at Michael's. And this is I got it on Amazon, and I haven't opened it yet. I was waiting to open it while I'm making the video. So here I go, opening my box here. And it should be three balls of yarn. So that That's what it's called for in the pattern. And I could only find the color. Oh, this looks really nice. Touch of Alpaca. Let me open it up. This is it. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, it's really, oh, it's really soft. Touch of Alpaca. So it is Touch of Alpaca Lion Brand in the color Oxford Gray. And it's a nice big ball of yarn. It's actually 415 yards, 7 ounce, 200 grams. And it's very beautiful. Soft. Then I got 3. 1, 2, 3. And I wanted to tell you I wanted to give you like a comparison of prices for this because I was shopping for it and I could not find it at Michael's. I like to get things locally if I can, just so that I have it right away and I don't have to wait. But anyways, I did get it through Amazon. That was the best price. And I paid through Amazon, I paid $10.74 a skein, which is, I think, a great price because this is alpaca. So, and then the shipping was free because I have Prime. Yeah, so I ended up paying with tax and everything through Amazon $36.42, and I think I got it in like 2 or 3 days. And I believe it was through Amazon, through Lion Brand on Amazon. That's what it said. The name of the store was that I got it through and Amazon. So to compare that, so that was $36.42 with taxes and everything. So that was through Amazon. Michael's didn't have it, so I couldn't get it there. And then I went to compare at the Lion Brand site. I guess it's an American site. So I would have had to pay $21.50 shipping, and I probably would have had to pay. It says shipping table rates, international shipping, $21.50. So I may have also been charged because I have ordered through Yarnspirations and I had to pay taxes, extra taxes, duty. So that exactly the same thing. The exact same 3 skeins of yarn for this extra large. It's called, it is called Touch of Alpaca. What was it again? It's like an extra big ball. And there's a name on it and I can't see it. I can't remember what it's called and I don't see it. Touch of Alpaca. I can't remember. And I don't see it, of course. Oh, actually, is it on this? Let's see. Anyways, the price, exact same product. It's because it's like a double alpaca bonus bundle. Hello! The Touch of Alpaca bonus bundle, so you get more. The price through the Lion Brand website would have been $51.47, and that's American money. So that would have cost me a lot more than that $51.47 Canadian. So I think I did a good deal by finding it on Amazon. And I also looked on Yarn Canada. That's another site where we can get our yarn. I think they're based out in British Columbia. And they did have it, but they did not have this bonus bundle. It was a lot smaller, and it would have cost me a lot more. They were $6.99 per skein, but the size was, I think it was like maybe half of this, so I would have had to order a lot more. So I think I did a good thing. I got a great deal, and that's the exact product that I needed to make this beautiful Susan shred. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this as well. And so that's what I got. And then, of course, I went to Michael's looking for this yarn, and then I ran across this beautiful yarn. Oh, I was gonna rip it open. And oh, I need my glasses again because I can't see anything without my glasses. I can't read. So I got this really nice yarn, and it's the Huggy Fur, because I really wanted to get the Lion brand faux fur. I think it's called something faux fur. Anyways, this one here, they had it at Michael's. It's called Huggy Fur by Red Heart, 7 ounces, 200 grams, 260 yards. I got a great price on this. I got 4 of these. The color of this is Sandcastle. You can see it. And it's kind of soft. It's not as soft. I think the Lion brand may have been softer, but they didn't have any. This was the only one I could find. And I got 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really soft. It is pretty soft. I saw some that was a lot softer, but it was like 70 yards. And it's like, no, it's way, like, you don't hardly get any. And this was on sale. So the regular price of this was, I believe it was $10, $9.99. And I got it for $4.98 a skein. So I did really good on that one. Yeah, $4.97 a skein. So I got 4 at $4.97. So that was good. I like getting deals. It's always fun getting deals, isn't it? And then I went to Walmart just to look. And they're having a huge sale. The only problem is that their shelves are practically bare. And I found this beautiful yarn by Bernat. It's called, it's Yarn Inspirations Bernat Premium, 97% acrylic, 3% metallic, black sparkles. It's got a bit of a sparkle in it. It looks really nice. And I got 4 skeins of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I paid it $3 and, no, that's not, that was something else. I paid it $3.97 a skein. And I thought that was a steal. That was a good price. How much yardage is 5 ounces? I can't read these things. Where is it? 258 yards. That's good. 5 ounces. And it is medium 4-weight yarn. So that's the yarn that I got, and I got this big hook for something else. So I just recently made this for myself, this cowl, and what was I gonna say? I'm working on my 2020 items, and I'm pretty much finished one. I'm almost finishing it up, and I have a couple of more to do. And then I'll be hopefully doing a video on that so you can see what I've done for that. So that's pretty much what I wanted to cover today. Again, I wanted to thank the Crafting Trooper for this giveaway. I'm really excited that I won. I never won. This is the first time I ever won anything, so it was wonderful and a great surprise to find out that I won the giveaway. So thank you very much once again, and I will put her link below, so it's kind of a shout out to her as well as my way to say thank you. And that's it for now. Yeah, I can't think of anything else. If I do, I will come back and put another part to this video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment, share this video if you found it interesting. And that's it for today, I guess, and we will talk soon. I will try and do some more lives. I am doing a $50 Amazon giveaway at the end of January, so I'm trying to get online and do lives 2, 3, maybe 4 times a week. I don't know. Doing lives is a whole different dynamic involved. It's a lot of fun, but it's so different than just doing videos. But it's fun, and it's a nice way to meet new people, and you know, it's just a different dynamic. It's fun. Anyways, did I say that it's fun? Anyways, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and we will talk soon. Take care. Bye.
Let me show you something.